Would you believe some of the most popular cars on the road right now could seriously hurt you in a crash? Today we're revealing the top 5 most dangerous cars for passengers in 2025 based on real crash test data, and the results are shocking. If you care about car safety and want the truth no dealership will tell you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the Toyota Aygo X. This small city car looks harmless enough, but the crash test data tells a different story. In the frontal offset test, the driver's chest protection was rated as only marginal, and lower leg protection came back as weak. That means in a real frontal crash, your legs could take serious damage. On top of that, the car has zero countermeasure to prevent head-to-head contact between front seat occupants in a far side impact. So if you get hit from the side, you and your passenger could slam heads together. Far side protection was rated as poor. The verdict? Fine for side impacts, but front crash protection leaves a lot to be desired, especially for the driver. At number 4, we have another Toyota, the Yaris. This one gets a lot of praise as a practical, affordable car, but the crash data reveals some real weak spots. In the frontal offset test, the airbag didn't have enough pressure to stop the driver's head from bottoming out onto the steering wheel. Driver upper leg protection was rated as weak, and lower leg protection came back as poor. The dashboard structure was flagged as a potential injury risk for occupants of various sizes. The full-width barrier test also showed marginal chest protection for the driver. And far-side excursion control, meaning how well the car keeps you from flying across the cabin in a side impact, was only marginal. This one packs some real risks in a crash, especially for the driver's lower body. Number 3 is the Volkswagen Caddy, a popular choice for families and small businesses. But in crash tests, this van earned a worrying reputation. Here is the big one. The Volkswagen Caddy would be an aggressive impact partner in a frontal collision. That means it causes significantly more damage to whatever it hits, including other cars with passengers inside. In the side pole impact, chest protection was marginal, and in far side impacts, excursion control was marginal, with no countermeasure to prevent occupant-to-occupant contact. If you were in a crash with a Caddy coming at you, or you were inside one, the risks are higher than you might expect. At number 2, the Hyundai Inster. This budget-friendly mini car has been marketed as a smart, affordable option. But the crash tests reveal it has some serious problems. The driver's head bottomed out the airbag in the frontal test, a direct penalty on head protection. Chest protection was marginal in both the frontal offset and the full-width barrier tests. In the side pole impact, rib compression readings put chest protection at marginal again. But here is what really bumped this car to number 2. The driver door came unlatched after the side barrier test. In an emergency, if first responders cannot open your door easily, every second counts. That door failure also disqualified the car from scoring points for far side protection. And far side excursion control was found to be weak. Multiple failures across multiple test types. That is a pattern you do not want to ignore. And at number 1, the most dangerous car for passengers in 2025, the Dongfeng Box. This one has problems from the moment of impact. In the frontal offset test, multiple spot welds on the A-pillar failed. The A-pillar is the structural backbone that holds your car together in a crash, and it literally broke apart. Damage was also found at the front sill and windscreen pillar. After the crash, the doors remained locked, preventing first responders from reaching occupants. The airbag had insufficient pressure, allowing the driver's head to bottom out on the steering wheel. Dashboard structures were flagged as an injury risk for the legs. And it gets worse. The Dongfeng Box was rated as a somewhat aggressive impact partner, meaning it creates extra danger for anyone it collides with. Far side protection was rated as poor, with no countermeasure for head-to-head contact between front seat occupants. This car failed structurally, mechanically, and in occupant protection. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest crash test breakdowns. Drop a comment below which car surprised you the most. We will see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.